Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to lose weight before 2025 ends, and you don't know where to start, this video is made just for you. Today, I'll guide you through a simple 7-day fat loss meal plan, using only easy foods that you can find at any grocery store, Walmart, Target, Costco, Safeway, anywhere. No complicated recipes, no expensive ingredients, just clean, simple eating that actually works. Take a deep breath, and let's begin your week of eating lighter, feeling better, and finally taking control of your health. On day 1, think of your body as hitting a reset button. Keep breakfast warm and soothing, a bowl of oatmeal with blueberries, maybe a drizzle of honey, and a simple cup of black coffee or green tea. For lunch, grilled chicken with steamed broccoli and baby carrots works perfectly. And dinner stays light with turkey lettuce wraps and a small salad. Your goal for day 1 isn't perfection. It's simply getting your body comfortable with cleaner eating. Moving into day 2, your body needs steady energy. A cup of Greek yogurt topped with strawberries and a few almonds makes your morning refreshing. At lunch, a classic American tuna salad on whole grain bread keeps you full without weighing you down. Dinner can be baked salmon with roasted asparagus, delicious, simple, and full of healthy fats. You'll notice fewer cravings today because protein keeps your appetite stable. By day 3, your hunger naturally feels calmer. Start with avocado toast and a boiled egg, filling, clean, and perfect for busy mornings. For lunch, a black bean bowl with corn and tomatoes adds fiber that keeps you satisfied. Dinner can be a warm chicken and vegetable soup with a few whole wheat crackers. This day is all about feeding your stomach the kind of foods that reduce cravings without effort. Day 4 keeps things simple and clean, especially with carbs. Scrambled eggs with spinach make a balanced, energizing breakfast. Lunch might be a grilled turkey sandwich with crisp apple slices. And dinner stays colorful with shrimp stir-fry and mixed bell peppers. You'll feel lighter today. Clean carbs give you energy without the afternoon crash. Day 5 proves that eating healthy in the US doesn't have to be expensive. Start the morning with a banana, a little peanut butter, and a cup of almond milk. At lunch, brown rice with grilled chicken and green beans keeps you full for hours. Dinner can be a simple baked potato topped with cottage cheese. Affordable, filling, and perfectly aligned with your fat loss goals. By day 6, your body is adjusting, and hydration becomes more important. A morning smoothie with spinach, banana, and Greek yogurt starts your day strong. Lunch is a refreshing turkey salad with a light vinaigrette. And dinner stays extremely light, a vegetable omelet with a cup of herbal tea. This lighter evening helps your body burn fat, even while you sleep. You made it to day 7. And today is about giving your metabolism a natural boost. Start your morning with cinnamon oatmeal and black coffee. Keep lunch simple with a grilled chicken Caesar salad, skipping the croutons. For dinner, a warm, comforting chili made with beans and tomatoes is perfect. Your body feels lighter today because this combination reduces bloating and supports fat loss. And that's your complete 7-day beginner-friendly fat loss meal plan. Stick to it, stay consistent, and you'll absolutely start noticing real results before 2025 comes to an end. And whenever you feel hungry between meals, choose smart snacks like apple slices, baby carrots, a handful of nuts, string cheese, or air-popped popcorn. Snacks are not the enemy. They're tools that keep you consistent. And must try drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. And must avoid soda and sugary coffees this week. This small change alone can make a huge difference. So by the end of this week, most people feel lighter, less bloated, and more in control of their cravings. And yes, losing 1 to 2 pounds in 7 days is totally normal with this plan. Stay consistent, and you can absolutely start losing weight before 2025 ends. If you want a 14-day or 28-day meal plan next, just comment below. Thank you for watching, and hit like and subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants a fresh start.